Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Cheryl here. So today I want to show you this date night makeup that I wore to a special screening of Ford vs Ferrari in 4DX Theater. I'm starting with a bare face. First thing, we need to dampen a sponge. The sponge will become softer and bouncier, which helps applying the liquid foundation. The foundation I'm using here is by Urban Decay, and I love this foundation. It's pretty lightweight, so I dip it into the foundation with a sponge and dab it on the skin. Like bouncing on the skin, not dragging, not wiping it across the face. I love how easy this foundation blends with the skin. It creates a natural base for the face. Sometimes I even layer this foundation as a concealer for more coverage. As I mentioned before, this foundation is super lightweight. If you're gonna do more coverage, you can layer it and it won't make you look cakey at all. Moving on, I use brow pencils from NYX. I usually use 2 different shades if I had the time to perfect the brows. One tip that I have for you is to brush your brows thoroughly before putting on any products. I usually use a lighter shade brow pencil in the front part of the brows, and then a natural shade near the end of the brows. I take my brows very seriously. I spend a lot of time on them, and this one's already speed up in the video, so. Okay, I know that the brows has been taking longer, and now I'm gonna do a quick face contour with this foundation stick from MAC. So basically I'm just gonna do a few light strokes on the hollows of the cheeks, the tip of the nose, the side of the nose. Also along the jawline and a line across the top of the forehead. Then I'm going to start blending the product with one clean side of the sponge. It's more of an advanced contouring for those who are comfortable using a stick product. Also gotta make sure all the areas you marked are well blended before you head out, or you can look funny. Next, I'm curling my lashes before applying eyeshadows. The eyeshadow palette is by NARS. I use a flat-headed brush to apply this golden peach tone all over the lids. Then I use a taper brush, dipping into this chocolate shade, and then put in the outer corner of my eyes. Bring it down to the lower lash line and repeat for the other eye. Going back to the flat-headed brush, clean it on a tissue, then getting this shimmering pink shade. Apply to the area that's a little bit above the crease, and then using a blending brush to blend out the edges. Going back to the taper brush, applying the purplish brown to the outer corner inside of the crease. It's like deeper shade closer to the corner of your lids. Again, we're using the flat-headed brush with this shimmering pink shade. Apply it to the middle of your lower lash line. Here I'm using a mascara by Hair Make. Comb my lashes before applying highlight to the face. This highlight product is by Natasha Denona. Dip into the product and then do a few strokes on the high points of the cheeks and the bridge of the nose. This is my favorite contouring palette by Kevin O'Quan, and I use it to contour the side of my nose. And then apply a little shimmery pink to the cheeks. Also, I use these two like shimmering powder, mix them up to just highlight the cheeks a little more. To complete this makeup with my recent favorite lipstick by Natasha Denona. After the makeup is done, I'm gonna go get my hair done. Once my hair is curled, all is set, makeup is done, so yeah, this is just gonna be ready for the movie date. Hope you find all the makeup tips helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!